This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Mercedes Guinot. Location great, 2 bedrooms 2 baths on the 11th floor at MEDITERRANEA condo. Enjoy amazing views and large balcony, 2 assigned parking spaces, washer and dryer inside the unit, split floor plan, large living and dining room space, kitchen with granite countertops, stainless steel appliances. Building offers pool, gym, lobby attendant 24 hours. Located near downtown, Miami International Airport. For more information, review the details below or contact Mercedes Guinot at 305-774-5889.